You don't hate studying, you hate the feeling it gives you. But something more dangerous is happening. Your brain is being reprogrammed every single day, and in the next few minutes, you'll discover why your focus is collapsing. Even if you're smart, you open your phone for a minute. Just a minute. But what happens inside your brain lasts for hours. One video becomes 5. Half an hour disappears. But the problem isn't time. The problem is the hidden price you're paying. Every swipe on the screen gives you a small reward, a dopamine hit. But what nobody tells you is that your brain records this. It learns, and it learns fast. It learns that pleasure must be instant. Dopamine was not created for videos. It was created to reward hunting, achievement, survival. But today, you get the same reward while lying down. And this is where the real danger begins. Your brain doesn't care about the source. It only sees reward. And over time, it starts rejecting anything slow. Books, heavy, studying, boring, working out, exhausting. Not because you're weak, but because you've changed neurologically. But the scariest part isn't here. Every time you choose the easy path, you carve a neural pathway, and you close another one. This isn't metaphorical, it's physical. Imagine a dense forest. The more you walk a path, the clearer it becomes, and the other path slowly disappears. You take the easy path every single day, so what do you expect after a year? Your patience drops, your tolerance for pain decreases, even your dreams become smaller. But the harsh truth? You are not fully in control. Your environment controls you. Your phone is next to you, you'll open it. One notification is enough to break your focus, and there are engineers studying how to make you click. This is not your weakness. This is a calculated design. Companies don't sell videos. They sell your attention. Every second you spend there is profit for them, and slow loss for you. But the problem doesn't stop here, because loss of focus is only the symptom. The real disease is anxiety. Constant anxiety. A whole generation living in a state of alert. Your mind never rests, even when you do nothing. Thoughts keep spinning. Will I fail? Will I become poor? Am I behind everyone? But the worst part? Even the successful ones feel like they are not enough. And this is not a personality flaw. It is the result of an environment that keeps your nervous system on fire. In the next video, I will reveal why an entire generation is living in constant anxiety, how social media created a mind that never feels safe, and why the more you try to escape it, the worse it gets. But there is a part nobody talks about, something happening inside your brain that makes you seek danger, even when there is no danger. And if you understand it, you will understand yourself for the first time. If you reach this point, you are different from 90% who left early. Comment, I am taking back control, so I know you won't be part of the crowd. Hit like now so this reaches someone who needs it, and subscribe because the next video won't be comfortable. It will make you see why you are really anxious. But the real question is, are you ready to know the reason? Or will you go back now to scrolling again?